Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty A, back with another banger. Hey, so today we're going to be checking out female Forex traders on YouTube and just female traders on YouTube in general, right? So I want to know right now, before the video starts, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn those notifications on, because I'm coming back to back with the bangers, baby. But look, no, for real, look, hey, do the ladies run the Forex industry or do the fellas run the Forex industry? Let me know in the chat right now. I know the chat gonna get hot before the video even pop. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start off right. We're gonna start off with Lady Trader. Now, Lady Trader is a beast. I actually had to subscribe to her because she be doing some crazy shit, right? So she took $1, right, and ran it up to $5,000 trading binary options. I thought this was insane. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. Do a reaction to it. I'm not gonna watch the full video because it's like 13 minutes, right? And then it's a bunch of ladies we gotta still react to. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this video up and we're gonna check this out. Like I said, this is by Lady Trader, so you guys check her out. All right, I'm about to switch screens right now. All right, let's get right into this.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I'm shocked. Hello my dear friends, it's Lady Trader and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
She do this shit every day.
Really glad to see you here, and today I want to make an experiment again. Okay. So watch this video till the end because it will be really interesting and useful for you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your likes, and let's start. Well guys, now I have 51,000 on my account, and I want to make an experiment. So I want to withdraw this money, but I want to leave $1.
She playing the game the right way.
Try to make some money from $1. Okay, I think it will be really interesting. Well guys, first of all we go to finance and withdrawal. Okay. Then I'm going to put the amount. It will be 51,898. Okay. And also, because we need
trying to get it to $1.
$1 on my account.
Hey, this is some savage shit though.
Okay.
Smash that like button. This is savage.
I will withdraw on my card directly, and we continue. Okay, withdrawal has been sent, and we have $1 on my account. So here we see that I will receive the funds within a few business days. But
yo, hey, literally withdrew 50 bands and left $1. Got back in the market like I'm about to get popping with $1. Man, run it up. What's good?
But usually I always receive it in 40 minutes for 1 hour.
14 minutes to an hour.
Let's see how it will be today. And we go to digital trading. We have $1, and I'm gonna make the first trade with $1. Okay. And today I'm going to use my favorite strategy is Tyllionaire channels and stochastic oscillator.
She really ran this shit up too.
Strategy. So I'm going to tell you again and I'm going to tell you again about how can we use it also for new guys on my channel. Later is in overbought conditions. It's a good moment for us to make put option. Okay, and for example,
I'm like, let's get to the trade.
For example, right here we see that the red candle crosses the Tyllionaire channels line. It's right here. For example, where can we see uptrend? Start our trading. Well guys, I want to make a put option right here, so it will be a put option on 3 minutes. So we see that the green candle crossed the Tyllionaire channels line, and also stochastic oscillator is in overbought conditions. Okay, it's $1, and let's wait for the end of our trade.
Making money fading the market.
Well guys, and we have profit. So now my balance is 185. So here we see that the green
from 185 did another 185, and then she got the trades right here on the side.
Well guys, and it's another profit, and green candle crossed the Tyllionaire channels line, and also stochastic.
She was $2 on that trade. Their profit would be 370, bringing the account to 4. So then it's 1 to 5. I mean, basically, like I said,
Well,
all the
guys,
trades
and
is here.
our profit is 43. Let's continue.
And then there's the history of all the trades that she took from 1, you know, all the way up. I think this shit is dope. We're gonna go all the way, you know, through it, because, you know, it's gonna be a long video. But, you know, here's 500. When she was getting cracking like that, she like,
well,
fuck it,
guys,
I'm about
1
to risk it
second
all.
left, and it's absolutely profit again. I'm really impressed.
$1 to $2,722. Still, that's savage, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go all the way through. She got all the trades that she took. It has her trade and turnover right here, where it says 5,300. That's how much she made total. It has, she went back and checked, so you could look at all the trades she took too. Hey, this shit is savage, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, make sure you guys give her a subscribe. You feel me? She going up out here. That's Lady Trader, you know what I'm saying? Out here savaging the binary options, 1 to 5,000. Like, that's, yo, that's amazing, you feel me? So we got this next girl right here. Her name is MasiTrades. MasiTrades on YouTube, MasiTrades. This video is called 1,403 minutes, right? 1,403 minutes trading Tesla options, some live trading. All right, so we're gonna check out MasiTrades right now. So shout out MasiTrades. Let's see what she got cracking over here.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go through another live trade I took with Tesla. So I traded Tesla on Monday, 4/19, and I was about a 3 to 4 minute scalp, and I made about $1,400 on it. So I'm just going to walk you guys through it, my thought process, my entries and exits, my support and resistance levels, and then again, overall market sentiment that day as well.
And then also let me know in the chat how y'all trade in the chat too. Like, let me know, you feel me? Are you a day trader? Are you a scalper? Like, what's your trading style? You know, just as we keep everything engaged, so we keep everybody here and vibing, you know what I'm saying? Smack the like button and then just be in the comments vibing, you know what I'm saying? Vibing out. I don't have a WhatsApp, so if you see any low WhatsApp comments, that's not me. But hey, just vibe out. I'll rock with you guys too. Let's get it. Back to the video.
Well, hopefully you guys are finding these videos helpful. If you are, don't forget to hit that like button. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started.
All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So I had Tesla on my watch on Monday, the 19th, because there was a crash in Texas involving 2 people that they were driving a Tesla, and apparently.
So she using fundamental analysis. I'm listening. She said she's off the news, so I'm listening. She like, you know.
Apparently the self-driving feature was on, and there was no one in the driver's seat, something along those lines. So it was on my watch list due to that catalyst. So this is Tesla on the 30-minute time frame here. So this is the 19th right here, as you can see. So I just wanted to show you this 30-minute time frame really quick before we get started, because I wanted to show you my levels. So as you can see, all of these levels here I have are levels of support and resistance on Tesla. If it's trending below that level, it's resistance on the stock.
I mean, shit, like, for me, it's too much reading. I don't keep it a bean with you. But hey, like I said, everybody got their own trading styles, you know what I'm saying? To me, it's too much reading.
If it's trending above that level, it's a support on the stock. So all of these levels
make
here,
that money. Run it up.
So for starting on that day, the 19th, so this is the pre-market, all of these levels below 737 are all going to be support and profit target levels if I'm looking for Tesla on the downside. And all of the levels above 742, which is that, looks like around that pre-market high, anything above 742 is going to be a resistance and a profit target if Tesla were to go to the upside. So I just want to show you guys that prior to showing you the video, just so you guys are aware, and then what levels that I'm watching.
When the future first arrives, we often don't recognize it. Interactive Brokers founder Thomas Pe.
So this is Tesla on that day. So you can see here, whoops, just zoom out really quick. So I had my pre-market levels set here. So my pre-market high, it looks like around 742. The stock did wick up to 742, and then the pre-market low at 715 or 717. It looks like So the pre-market high is 742, and the pre-market low is 717 on Tesla. It had a little bit of a big move down just due to that news in regards to the Tesla crash.
Okay.
So when the stock opens at open, what I'm watching is 717, below 717 for puts. And then what I'm looking for, just because 742 is, there's a huge gap between those two levels. What I'm going to look for if I'm looking for the stock on the upside is I'm going to look for this wick fill. So usually if you see a stock gap down or up, or you see it wick up or down, it tends to fill that wick or gap all the way up or down. So what I would watch here is I would most likely watch the 730 level because it's the safest level of resistance here. 725 might be a little too aggressive. So I'd watch 730 to the upside for the wick fill to 742. So that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what I was doing. So just to let you guys know, I was watching the 702 level break for puts on Tesla. So I missed this
break and retest
move down here on Tesla. I missed the whole move. So we're gonna watch this 702 level here for a break. For puts. You can see me starting to get ready. So I'm looking for the 700 put on Tesla. Okay, it's getting close to that 703 level.
She wanted to eat at 702. Break and retest off the 1 minute.
And there it goes, to break 703. You're going to see me fill into Tesla in just a second.
Boom.
So there I filled Tesla at 703. The 703 break here at 1002. So you can see that 703 level was my level of support here on Tesla after it created that H pattern at 703. And then you can also see, so this was around 1002. If we look at the NASDAQ around that time as well, you can see that the NASDAQ was also following here. So this was the 10 o'clock 5-minute candle, 10:05 5-minute candle, rejected its VWAP here, the NASDAQ did, and the NASDAQ was also falling with Tesla, which is good because that just shows that the trend that Tesla is on is being supported by futures, which you always want to see. Also, I just want to say I did fill at 1002, and then I wanted more contracts because I didn't fill the right amount of contracts, so I added more contracts at 1002.57. So that's why you see 2 fill orders here, because I added more contracts. So
yo, she going up though. She going up. You feel me? Running that shit up in Tesla. That was MasiTrades. So shout out to MasiTrades. Make sure you go over there, like that video, and then click that subscribe button. Are there any female traders that I'm missing? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Next we got Kaci Jackson. All right, we got Kaci Jackson. So we're gonna check out Kaci Jackson next. But like I said, let me know if if we missed any female forex traders or anything like that. Still got a few more I'm gonna rock throughout this video. Check out, and then like I said, just doing reviews. So the first one was Lady Trader. She went crazy with the binary options. You feel me? That was crazy. $1 to 5 bandos, like it's all there. And then after that was MasiTrades going crazy with the options. You feel me? So this is Kaci Jackson, successful black forex trader, how to trade forex for beginners. That's the name of this video. So I'm about to go over to that video right now. We're about to go ahead and switch screens, check that out, and let's get right into it. Let's do it.
YouTube, my name is Kaci.
What's
Welcome
good?
to my channel.
What's
you
the
probably
deal?
found this video because
you got
you were
the cat
looking
chilling
for
on the
some
desk.
videos on how to trade Forex. And lo and behold, I'm a Forex trader. So you're definitely sorry. I'm just gonna let him be and let him.
Hey, the music vibes though. I ain't gonna cat. The music vibes though. You feel
I am
me?
a Forex trader. I've been trading for about the past 2.5 years.
2 years.
I really didn't get consistent with it till about a year ago, and I'm starting to see some consistency. I thought now would be a good time to put together a channel and maybe give some information that might be helpful to those of you who have just started trading.
All right, for sure. What you
or
got?
you may have been trading for a while and you're struggling with a few things and you're looking for some different tools and tips that might get you to that next level. So to develop the skill
$10 billion
and
withdrawals.
figure out what works, I'll definitely share that with you guys. I probably will only be uploading videos maybe once a week. And if there's anything you guys want to see specifically, let me know. But I'm just hoping to pay it forward. But what you can expect to learn on this channel is anything that I've learned, that I've several different methods and strategies, and like just trying to dissect and break down the market.
I think she got somewhere she actually teaching though. This one right here, like boom, how to mark up charts.
If you're a profitable trader.
So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna check out how to mark up the chart. So it's one where she is actually teaching. We're gonna switch to that.
Those of you who don't follow the channel and don't know, This is a swing high, and I identify a swing high and a swing low, which is the inverse of the swing high on each time frame. So I start from my weekly. Usually that's good enough to give me what I need. Sometimes I will go to the monthly, but for the sake of today, I am going to go to the weekly and identify these major reversal levels. So, excuse me. All right, so on this time frame, I am on the weekly. I've saved my time frames up here as favorites so I can easily access them and access them, excuse me.
For sure.
And so I go in and I find my my levels with my horizontal ray. And for those again who are familiar with the channel, you guys know I like a fairly clean chart. And so what I go through and do is identify swing highs and swing lows. Right, so automatically I'm visually attracted to this area right here.
Okay.
And I've got a template saved. This is long-term support. And I've got it color-coded so that I can easily check when I'm on the go where price might be, and I can react accordingly. So I chose this level because I have a low center point, which is right here. I got 2 candles to the right that are, excuse me, to my other right, the left, that are higher, and 2 candles to the right that are higher. And so I've chosen this level. And then I'm going to choose my extreme high, which is here. And I'm going to mark that as long-term resistance. And then I'm also going to mark this level here as long-term resistance.
Some templates saved and shit. Okay.
And I've chosen these because they are the inverse of what we chose for the swing low. High center. And these, I'm looking for swing highs and swing lows. 2 candles to the right here. And then I'm going to draw my zone. And I actually probably am going to drop this too. So swing high. As it stands right now, I am just most comfortable with Trading View. I probably need to label an extension, and
I feel like it's complicated, but I understand where she's going with it though. You know what I mean? Like, it's already marked, so she know what it is. So she don't have to go back and then looking long term. She just, using the 4 hour to be her guide and shit. I think that's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? I think it's pretty dope. Pretty dope trading style. Pretty dope trading style. Let me know in the chat. What your trading style is. Like, everybody got their own trading style. You know what I'm saying? So let me know in the chat what your trading style is. Next, we're gonna check out Kaylee Shae. Kaylee Shae, she's a new Forex trader. So, I guess new to the YouTube Forex scene. This is the early morning routine. She a Forex trader. The Forex stuff is kind of at the end, so I'll scroll through like the beginning, and then, we'll look at it like that. So, Forex, curls, and lifestyle. They about to be on here going ham on YouTube.
Good morning, guys. I just wanted to start off this video by letting you guys know that this is an actual morning routine. I'm actually doing this routine on a day that I'm actually trading.
Bro, like,
of course, I start off my morning by briefly checking my phone and giving my pups some love.
Pups like, hey, yeah, the kisses, but where the food at was good.
Where
the food at?
Eventually, I finally make my way out of bed.
I'm hungry. I need to eat. Or shit, she could be a girl. You know what I mean? Like, oh, this is the full morning routine.
And I head right on over to the bathroom where I
then making up the bed for sure.
On a brief walk.
Exercising. Okay. All right, shower.
Refreshing myself and making myself.
She gotta refresh herself.
So we feel your best on Amazon.
She could have just popped in the trade, you know what I'm saying, early in the morning. Popped in the trade in the bed and then knocked it all out. But we're gonna get to the trading, you know what I'm saying?
A lot of people are starting to use these for.
All right, let me see. All right, boom. Okay, the curl joints. All right, so this is where the Forex.
And just any other lingering thoughts that I have at the
this
some
where the
thoughts
in
my.
All Alright, so the journaling start right here. So we're gonna see what's
is
in the journal.
pretty much it.
You know what I mean? Alright, boom. So
now I like
bam.
to take some time to write down some thoughts in my journal. I often like to write down goals, positive affirmations, gratitude,
Shorty gonna let the market
and
move.
just any other lingering thoughts that I have at the time.
It's gonna be 11 o'clock. She gonna have to catch the next session. You feel me? Hey, female showers be long as fuck. You know what I'm saying? And then she got the curls, so I already know Shorty in there. Boom, she got to spruce up
First
and
thing
shit.
I do before I hop on any charts at all.
Oh, never mind, it's 8:31. So maybe she woke up stupid early.
This is where you're gonna get all of the impacting news.
But then again, like I don't know if she on the West Coast or the East Coast, so like I don't know, possibly, you feel me? Possibly she waking up like at the time. I didn't really see no times, but I see 8:31, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know if it's on the West or the East, but hey, she up on time, I guess, you feel me?
We'll have some
Matter
kind
of fact, let me know in the chat right now, what time do you guys wake up, or, you know, ladies and gentlemen, what time do you wake up, you know, to actually start trading Forex? What time do you wake up to start trading? What's your morning routine looking like? You know what I'm saying? What do you do the first thing in the morning? What's your morning routine look like? In the comment section, you already know. You know, spam the comment section with what you do. Let other people know, you know, maybe, shit, you guys like the same type of coffee. You know what I'm saying? So just, like I said, in the comment section, you know, let me know. You know, we're going to get right back to this.
kind of effect
using that Forex factory. Okay.
So right now we're looking at today's
I see that NAS 100 up there.
Little folders here represent the impact of the news. So basically, the darker the folder is in color, the more of an impact it's going to have on the markets. So today, the US dollar has red folders, which means high impact, extreme volatility expected. So for me, that just means I'm not going to be trading because I'm not going to put myself at risk like that.
Not as risky, huh?
Some people choose to trade news, but I would rather just stay away from it. So today we're just going to be looking at the charts. Maybe later on in the day, because this is really only impacting in the morning, but it's also a bank holiday for. Here is a trade that I took earlier this week with Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. You can see it is a 3-to-1. We have a 7.1 pip stop loss, and we are aiming for.
But on the MetaTrader, it was different, but you know, we ain't talking about that.
22.8 pips for our take profit. So if I were filling this in, hypothetically, our stop loss would be 7.1. So we would take this over to the position size calculator. Say my account balance is $1,000. Say I want to risk 1%.
For sure. Bringing that shit up, for sure. So that's the day in the life, you know what I'm saying? What was her name again? Kaylee Shae. So y'all make sure y'all go check out Kaylee Shae. Feel me? Shout out Kaylee Shae doing her thing out there. You feel me? This next one, who is this? Zona. She got like 5K on YouTube right now. So you know, you guys make sure you check out Zona. After that, we got who's after this? After this, we got Karen Foo, and then Candice B, and then Hannah Forex. All right, so we about to get to Zona right now. Let me go ahead and start it. Boom.
What's up, leaders? It's your girl Andy, and welcome back to my channel. Ooh, it's been a long time, hasn't it? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be talking about the
Yo, we really got female Forex traders going hard out here, yo. Well, female traders in general going hard out here, you feel me?
4 things, the only 4 things that price.
I got a question, like, yo, in the future, who you think really going to win in this Forex thing? Like, in the battle, like, you already, like, I already see females, you know, trying to become the president of the United States. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got Janet Yellen on the field chair. You feel me? A very strong female voice. You feel me? So what do you really feel about, you know, how the game is going to go? I don't know. I feel like it's going to get leveled real soon. You feel me? Real soon it's going to be lit. You feel me?
Can do whenever it hits a high or a low in a chart. And it's really good to know these things because, like I said, only 4 things can happen whenever we get a high or a low point. So when we know these things, we can get a really solid entry. So
I ain't gonna confuse myself. I'm gonna see what you're talking about. You feel me?
I'm just gonna jump straight into the charts. We're gonna get to it.
Jump in.
All right, let me see if I can even remember how to do this. All right, so I have pulled up right here a random chart. This is Euro AUD, just because I like Euro AUD. We're gonna start with this, and honestly, if we just start from current right now, I can show you an example right here.
What we on?
So I'm gonna draw a line, and if you have been here before, you may notice I've changed my chart colors a little. I just needed to like switch it up. I took a break from my YouTube channel and from trading and from everything, just to step back to clear my head and come fresh. So I'm actually in a program which I'll talk about in a different time, that is helping me to come fresh to the chart.
Definitely and talk about the program in a different time. Don't sell me nothing, baby. Don't sell me nothing. I'm just trying to learn.
Just like renew my trading, because I haven't reached the heights that I want to reach yet with Forex trading, but we all know it's possible, and I'm determined to get there. So as you can see, I'm on the 4-hour chart, and we have a little bit of consolidation, and then we have a break.
I'm still grinding. I ain't trying to shovel no program on y'all. I'm just still getting my learn on, you know what I'm saying? But this is how I do my thing, and you got to respect the game, you know what I'm saying?
Right here. Now, one thing that I have learned recently is that when you have consolidation, which let me just draw a box here.
Draw the box. The magical box.
This right here just looks like solid consolidation, and we have a spike upwards. And a lot of times when you get a spike right out of consolidation, you'll see a reverse movement. So I'm actually looking for this to trade downwards, but we would have to see the overall trend, which we can see we're overall going down. So I kind of expect this to go down, but honestly that's not what we're talking about right now, so let me just delete that. But so what we have right here is a high for the day. So there's only 4 things to expect at this point. So I'm going to draw my line right here at the top of this high, and the first thing that we can expect at a high is a double top. So we have a touch right here. I'm looking for a little bit of a trade down, because usually when you hit an area of resistance,
that's that Phineas and Ferb head strategy. What's good? She got that Phineas and Ferb head strategy cracking. She already got the one piece. You know how bro got that nacho cheese Dorito head? You feel me?
You trade down and then price.
See, I be using the Bart. She using the Phineas and Ferb, like going next level with it.
Goes back up to retouch. And then we can see that it is going to go all the way down. So a double top is when price hits, it pulls back, it hits again in roughly the same area. It might hit up here, it might hit a little lower, and then it trades down to continue.
And then we got a doji, so you can't really like, oh, it's doing this or that. Well, it's a doji right now, so you know technically it's like a little spinning top. You feel me? So technically you can be like it's going here or there, but on a 5-minute you'll be able to see a little bit different. But yeah, we listening, we tapped in, baby.
Continue the downward pattern that we have been seeing. So that is the first thing that we're looking for, is a double top. So let me just write that. Okay, the second thing that we are going to be looking for is a head and shoulders formation. So I'm gonna put this over here. Can make this bigger. To maybe this if we saw price. There's nothing that we from your right shoulder and then reject it again. That's pretty safe confirmation that we can sell, and that our downtrend is.
So she's just waiting for a double top or a head and shoulders or something to confirm that she's still in the downtrend, and then wants to basically get in trend, you know, with what she sees overall.
A little bit, and then
right now price is kind of pushing up. It's gonna retest again. So if she went to the 5-minute, she'd probably be able to scalp it to the top side or something like that. You know what I mean? Scalp it to the top side, something like that. But you know, we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on and move along. But shout out to Andy Zona again. Shout out to Andy Zona. Make sure you guys go over there, you know, smash that sub button for her as well. So next we got Karen Foo. Next we got Karen Foo next, and then we got Candice B. All right, after that we got Karen Foo, and then we got Candice B. So give me a second. Let me pull up Karen Foo real quick, and boom, we in there. All right, so Karen Foo, she got that swizzag on her. That's that swag, you know what I'm saying? That drip, that sauce, that drip, that sauce. That drip, that sauce. Let's get it.
Like driving a car. You need how many things again? 4 things. The first thing you need, of course, is your...
Karen Foo me. Business out here. She ain't playing no game, you know what I'm saying?
Trading system.
Okay, definitely need a
trading system. Of course, Karen, common sense. Later I'm not going into detail, okay? Don't worry about that.
Okay,
the second thing you need is your risk management system.
That's true,
okay,
that's true.
Ken? Then the third thing that you need...
What's the third thing, Karen?
Is your trading psychology strategy.
Yeah, she's saying keep your,
now, what
gotta have your mind right.
Now, a lot of people think that, yeah, Karen, it's just emotions.
Versace about busting was good.
When it comes to trading psychology, you also...
Little flex, you know what I'm saying? Little flex.
You need a strategy for it.
Okay.
Ken? You need a specific strategy for your trading psychology.
Okay.
And what's the fourth thing? Can you make a guess?
Money. Boom. Hey, did she... Just popcorn him, he ain't even put his hand up. Look, popcorn my man, he ain't even put his hand up.
Trading psychology. And what's the fourth thing? Can you make a guess?
Money. Boom. What's good?
You need money. Popcorn. Yes, of course you need money. Education, okay, Fanny, very good. But the answer that I'm looking for is...
Yeah, that's
your
a good...
trading business...
She's a good presenter, you feel me? Make sure you get engaged. Oh, you thought you was about to be asleep? Now what's good? Here, boom. Everybody on you. Everybody start looking at you. What's the answer? You, whoa, yeah, yes, sir.
Management strategy.
For sure.
What is this trading business management? Later I'm not going into detail, okay?
No, I go in detail.
That. So recap again, what's the first thing they'll need?
Trading system.
Trading system. Second thing they'll need?
Risk management system.
Risk management system. Your trading system needs to comprise of a couple of things.
Okay, what's my...
The first thing they'll need
is
your technical analysis and of course your fundamental analysis. Of course, not carrying common sense. There's a lot of debate going on. Is technical analysis better or fundamental analysis better?
Okay.
If you have both tools to use, why not use both? Why do you need both? It's because you need fundamental analysis to determine the long-term direction of the trend.
Okay.
Whether the long term, will it go...
I mean, you could just look at it too with technical analysis, technically, but, you know, I feel you. I guess that supports and, you know, confirms, you know, the idea of what you see.
Go bullish or will it go bearish? And how do you determine where to enter, where to TP, where to cut your losses? You use your...
eyeballs.
TA. Okay, so you combine these two things together. And not only do you need technical and fundamental analysis, you need what we call a high probability setup.
Yeah, definitely.
In other words, you need confirmation.
You definitely need some confirmation.
You need what again, ladies and gentlemen? You need confirmation. What do I mean by that? You cannot rely on just one factor for you to say, okay, I'm going to buy now.
Nah, you got to definitely
Because when you ask a lot of beginner traders, the way they trade is, oh, because now it's oversold, then I buy lo. Because now it's overbought, then I sell lo. Just based on one factor. Because my analyst
double check, you feel me? She ain't lying about that. She on point with that, you feel me? But you know, that was Karen Foo. You know what I'm saying? That was Karen Foo. She out here going hard. So make sure y'all go over there and give her a sub as well. Make sure you give her a sub as well. Next, we about to go to Candice B. All right, she's doing the chart analysis and improve your skills with back testing. I think this is a pretty dope video. You can prove your skills with back testing or when to enter and exit. All right, this thing like a video, dope little video. So when to enter and exit, she gonna teach us when to enter and exit a Forex trade. So you guys get your learning caps on. You feel me? We about to learn how to enter and exit a Forex trade featuring Candice B. All right, so let's get over to the video right now. I'm gonna go ahead and make that full screen. All right, make sure you guys go there, give her a sub as well. Give her a sub as well. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it cracking.
What is going on, guys? Candice B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel.
That hoodie fire though.
Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. Hello, how y'all doing? I hope you're doing well. You guys like my sweater? I'm trying to wear brighter colors.
You feel me? I was just commenting on that shit.
I guess you can say I like grays, stuff like that. And yeah, I don't know. Like I'm feeling it. I love sweaters though. I love hoodies. This one says trust in your vision.
You send her a damn Forex hoodie. I got a bright Forex hoodie shit.
Today. So a while back, I had posted on my community page on YouTube here, asking you guys what type of videos you wanted me to make. And a lot of you guys had asked me to make a video on how to enter a trade, how to exit a trade, just like
let us know how to enter or exit. We about to,
I guess it's really not a topic.
She about to teach us how to get them super sniper entries, you feel me? So basically you need to be paying attention right now. You know what I'm saying? You about to go to school right now, so make sure you keep your knowledge cap on. You did.
Often discussed, I'm not too sure, but I was like, all right, cool, I can definitely make a quick little video on it, sharing some things that you can possibly keep in mind if you're struggling to figure out when is the best time to enter and exit a trade. Now, as a disclaimer, of course, the information that I'll be sharing in this video is just simply from my point of view, my opinion, my experiences. I'm not a mentor, a guru, an expert of any sort, etc. So we got you, for sure, this information with a grain of salt. I just want you guys to remember that I'm simply a student of the markets, just like all of you are, and I like to make these type of videos to get you guys to think and to want to do further research to figure out the answers to questions that you may have. So always make sure that you're doing your due diligence by doing the research and doing the hard work and putting in the time and being self-sufficient. That is what Forex is about. You have to be independent.
Facts. Being self-sufficient, because a lot of y'all don't be wanting to put in the work, do the research, and it's really simple. Do the fucking work. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Super simple. Do the work, you're going to see the results. You know what I'm saying? And what I also liked about what she was saying was definitely we're all students of the game. We're going to forever be students of the game. So, you know, you should always be learning, always be, you know what I'm saying, yearning to discover new, you know, areas of the marketplace. And what I mean is, like, the market is vast like an ocean, so you should always be on your ship and always be on your shit, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Let's let Candice finish teaching us how to get these entries and exits. You feel me?
No one's gonna give you the answer to every question that you have, so you have to be willing to work for it, okay? And do the research. Make sure you stop. Don't do that anymore. Because all jokes aside, it's very important to remember that doing your analysis first before you consider entering a trade is extremely necessary to be successful. It's a huge component of that success. Doing a thorough chart analysis before you consider entering a trade is very important because it helps you to form your bias, and your bias is what you need to determine whether you're gonna buy or sell. If you just simply place a trade without doing any analysis beforehand, that is considered gambling because you're just pressing a button and
on me. Oh, buy. Like, hold on, before you, it look like it, but just go in real quick. Oh, let's double check. You feel me? Let's double check. I fuck with that.
And hoping and praying that you end up on the right side of the market. So yeah, that brings a lot of stress, obviously.
Yeah,
and when it comes to chart analysis itself, when it comes to actually knowing how to analyze the chart, it is up to you to put in the time and the work to learn how to do that. I personally feel like you can't really teach chart analysis 100% just because everyone is so different. How I look at the chart can be completely different to how you look at the chart.
Facts. I definitely agree with that too. You know what I mean? People definitely have different perspectives. Even it's this perspective with the 6 and the 9, and you know, when one person look at it on this side, it's a 6, but when they look at it that on another side, it's a 9, and it's like, well, that's a 6 and that's a 9. So I definitely get and understand, you know, what she's saying. You know,
because we're two different people, and knowing how to analyze a chart really does come from instinct, and really that instinct comes from you putting in chart time. I know a lot of people have heard that term chart time, and it's really just you diving into the charts and studying it, studying whatever currency pair or commodity or whatever instrument you.
Big facts. You feel me? So that was Candice B. You know what I mean? That was Candice B. She was just teaching us and giving us some psychology on, you know, how to enter and how to exit a trade. You feel me? So definitely go over there and smack that subscribe button, and you know, get her subs up. You feel me? Let's grow these Forex channels on YouTube. You feel me? Next, we got Hannah Forex over here. Hannah Forex. You feel me? I'm about to go ahead and load this video up, and she's gonna teach us how to, or 3 tips on how to forecast the Forex markets more effectively. So we're about to go over there and learn how to just, you know, get a different forecasts and stuff. A lot of people asking, you know, Ty, you know, react to some female traders, you only do these. So, you know what I'm saying? This is me just, you know, checking out some of the female traders on YouTube. They've been going hard. They've been grinding, so it's definitely dope. You know, we get a chance to shed a light and just check out, you know, see some other dope channels. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep growing. Let's keep growing. Let's keep growing.
Here's the thing. Many people can forecast, but they're not doing it effectively.
Okay.
There's just one thing of doing it for the sake of doing it, but then actually having clarity in your analysis, in your forecast, in your technical ability. Because having clarity is a key thing in order for you to become consistently profitable. So in this video, I wanted to share a couple helpful tips in order to take your forecasting to the next level. This is going to be very useful, especially if you're starting out in Forex and wanted to be able to know how to measure, grow, and progress in your analysis, in your forecasting. So the first tip I want to share is actually recording yourself, doing your analysis.
It was dope. I fuck with this. And not only just recording yourself doing analysis, but record yourself trading. You know what I'm saying? So you can, it's like watching your games back. You know what I'm saying? Like LeBron could go look at his old game footage. Jordan could go look at his old game footage. Like, yo, this was me in practice. Like, yo, you wasn't with me shooting in a gym. You feel me? But this is how you could do it. You know what I'm saying? So definitely I agree with that 1000%.
Your morning forecast, your weekly analysis, and you can use software such as Loom, or even what I used to do was actually just use the record button on TradingView and then publish that on private. And basically how you go about it is basically just talk yourself through the trade, through the markets, through the analysis, whether you're doing top-down analysis going from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. Literally speak out what you see, how you would look to enter the market. The key thing here is when you look back on it at the end of the week or at the end of the day and you see how the market moves, you're able to compare how correct your analysis is or any things that you can improve on. And probably the thing I want to highlight the most here is actually go and listen to your language, your use of words, how you're talking to yourself, your thought process when you're talking about the markets. Because I remember an exercise where I was doing this for a period of time. This was probably back in 2019 when I was documenting my forecast day in, day out. And I would listen to my language where I had expectation in the market and I was using words such as, the market will do this. And it's very interesting because again, the key thing is we want to be neutral, and it's something that
I fuck with that. But I also think you want to be confident as well. You see that motherfucker, yeah, you shit is about to do this and then do that shit, because you got to be confident, you know what I'm saying? Not every time, but I agree. And then neutral, she's saying like don't be don't be market biased, so like I said, there's points I agree and disagree on, you know what I'm saying, but everybody agree and disagree to different shit. Yeah, feel me?
That's so important. And again, the reason why I'm actually sharing this is because a lot of people are struggling with things like fear, hesitation in the market. If you do decide to do this, then hopefully this will help you out with your confidence, because it did for me. Just in the morning and then your evening forecast, and then just talking about what had changed. One and method 2 was obviously that method 1 involves you actually talking through the trade. But for those who just don't like hearing their voice or struggle to record themselves, and that's cool, definitely at least things like taking screenshots before and after every single day, having a Notion template or page set out where you have every single day and then maybe a drop down for AM forecast, PM forecast, actively just doing these little things.
And I like that she been in the market for real. Here go all her work, you feel me? So you can't be, oh, you ain't putting that work. Like, she put in the work and she was recording herself, you know what I'm saying, while putting in that work. So shout out to Hannah Forex, you know what I'm saying, just grinding out here, putting in work. Those were the female Forex traders of, that's doing their thing right now on YouTube, that's growing on YouTube. So, shout out to all them that are, doing their thing. If there's anybody that I missed, like I said, just let me know, in the comment section, let me know in the chat, And we're just going to keep on growing. The community just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, growing and growing. But you already know how we end this thing. You feel me? It's your boy Ty, and I'm about to get up out of here. Appreciate everybody for tuning in, rocking with me throughout the whole video. And, drop your favorite female Forex trader inside the chat. Also, let me know right now who's better. Is it the males that got the game, and is it male dominated or is it female dominated? Do you think that the female Forex traders in the future are going to take over the game? Do you think that they're taking over the game right now? Ladies, who's better? Is it fellas or ladies? So let me know in the chat right now. It's going to get a mixing and mingling in there, because like, the fellas is better. Ladies going to be like, nah, y'all niggas is trash. Boom, boom, boom. So we got some female bosses out there grinding, doing their thing. But it's your boy Ty, and I'm out. Peace.